The axe, one of the oldest tools known to man, was first used as a throwing tool somewhere around 500 BC. Fast forward some 2,500 years, and it's now an indoor sport. Apparently, best done with beer. Welcome to the Throw House. Chef Tim Smith from Station Tap Room creates a vegan cheesesteak. We look at arthritis and bone and joint health with Dr. Messina in another great Healthy Minute from Phoenixville Hospital and Tower Health, and our exercise of the week. So stay with us for another episode of My Fitness RX. I'm Tanya Stroh, a certified personal trainer and contributing author. One thing I learned is that fitness isn't just exercise. Healthy living is more than working out and even eating. It's about balance. Don't force exercises that are boring. Don't eat food you don't like. Don't let fear hold you back. Life is about living on your terms, so we put it all together on your and My Fitness RX.